Hey guys, it's Matt with ContractorHUB. Welcome back to another episode in the series of our how-to videos. And today we're going to be talking specifically about tasks and creating a new task. Our task system is pretty robust, so let's go ahead and dive right in. So first things first, we're going to get to our dashboard. There's a couple different places you can access your tasks at. You can either access them on your dashboard itself. If you have it customized into your quick access, you can access it in the side navigation bar, or you can access it in your task bar up here. So you'll notice that you have a little notification saying that there's one task in your task list. So first things first, we're going to access through the My Tasks window. Once we get to the tasks page, we're going to see a list of all the filters that you can look for. So my tasks, those are tasks assigned to me. These are delegated tasks, so tasks that I've delegated to somebody else. These are all tasks, so everybody in the organization. If you're a manager, or somebody on the leadership team, you'll be able to see everybody's tasks. Everything that's blocked by me, so other people's tasks that are unable to move forward due to something that I'm holding them up. Anything that is blocked for anybody else, so we can look at all blocked tasks saying anybody that can't complete their task because somebody else is holding them up. And then overdue tasks and completed. So let's go ahead and create a new task. We're just going to hit add task, and we're going to say for this task we want to let's do this. Write follow up email about proposal to Johnson residence, Johnson project. And we're going to sign it. I'm signed in as Sarah right now, so I'm going to sign it to myself. I'm going to set a priority of medium, and then we're going to set a due date, and I'm going to say that due date is the 30th. This is optional, but we like to go ahead and get those set. So we're going to hit create. Now, once we create that task will create and show up in our My Tasks list. So we're going to say, see that task available. I delegated by myself. Here's the status of it. I'm just going to go ahead and click it and to open that task. And then once I click to open the task, I can say, okay, I'm in progress. So this changes the status of the tasks. And if it's blocked, or say I get blocked by something, I can hit blocked, and it will ask me for a reason why I'm blocked and who it's blocked by. You can make changes to anything just by clicking on it. So if I want to change this and say, make it to the Parks project, we can just change it there. No need to save. It auto saves as soon as you close out of that field. We can add a description. So we can say, write an email to Matt Parks thanking him for the time at the inspection, and let him know there will be an estimate sent tomorrow. So now we can also click off of that, and we can add a link. So if I have a link to maybe a Google Drive folder or a PDF or anything I need to link to, I can add that there. We'll notice there are subtasks. So I can either say add a subtask. So a subtask would be, if this was a more complex task, I would need 4 or 5 other tasks to complete it. We can say, are there any dependencies? Dependencies are, in order for this task to be completed, it requires something else to happen first. So think more on a critical path chart. That's what that would be. We can add files, upload files, photos, anything like you want to it. And then we can see the task history. Now, the other great thing, I know you noticed this helped me complete. If you do have AI in your plan, then you are going to be able to use the help me complete feature to work on specific tasks. There's all types of tools that it can use. Everything from writing an email to, adding a new lead into the system to just about anything we can do within ContractorHUB. This will be able to help you complete. So we're going to go ahead and do that because this is very easy. You're just going to hit help me complete. It's going to analyze a task, figure out, okay, what needs to be done. And it says, hey, I need you to draft an email to Matt thanking him for the time of inspection. So it drafts that email. So I'm going to say execute selected. So it's going to go ahead and draft that email. And then I'm going to open the email draft. We're going to be able to see it. If I was connected to email, I would be able to edit this live. However, I'm not connected to email right now, so you would need to connect that. You could edit it live and send it directly out of this task window. So it saves you so many clicks of having to go into your email provider, type out an email. You can just edit it live here. So that's all I got for you today, and I hope this was helpful. And if there's any questions, naturally, you can always go to the Get Help section in the navigation, or you can just reach out to your customer success manager. So thanks so much, guys. I appreciate your time today. Again, hope it helped, and look forward to seeing you on the next video.